This is a production of Kincaid Lower School Miss Caballero's class. Good morning, Lower School. We're coming to you today with our Friday Assembly, the Kincaid News Show, better known as the KNS.
Good morning, Hayden.
Wait, we have some breaking news from the playground. Looks like Super Inclusive and Evil Exclusive are fighting again.
What does inclusive and exclusive mean anyway?
Well, let's see what lower school students think.
I think inclusive means passing the ball to someone that hasn't scored in a long time in football. Inclusive to me is when somebody's being left out in recess and you include them in the game that you're playing.
Inclusive means when you're playing with your friends and someone wants to join you and get included.
Including people, and sometimes at recess I like to include people because it just makes the other people feel good.
To me, when I have a play date, my mom says include your sister. So she won't feel left out. But inclusive to me means let everyone be included.
So from what I'm hearing, it's better to be inclusive, right?
Yeah, let's take a look at some kids being inclusive and then some kids being exclusive, and we can decide which one's better.
Okay.
Let's go play basketball.
Okay.
I won't beat you this time, Super Inclusive! Watch my exclusive powers make these kids exclusive!
Can I play too?
No.
Yeah, you can't play basketball with us. You're not good enough.
But
Ugh, let's go, Sullivan.
Ha! My exclusive powers worked! You won't be defeated, Super Inclusive!
well, I haven't used my powers yet. Can I play too?
Sure.
Yeah, of course. You can always play basketball with us.
Warning, I'm not that good.
That's okay. We can all play together and help each other get better.
See, my inclusive powers are way better than your exclusive powers. They make everybody happy.
Ugh! I'll win next time! Just you wait!
I think I like the inclusive way better.
I agree. Go Super Inclusive.
Lower school, let's all work to be inclusive of each other.
It's not fair! You're with me, right, Broomster? Oh, Broomster, you don't know how hard I've tried. I'm out of ideas. What do you think, Broomster? Thanks, Broomster. I will be victorious!
No, you can't play with us. Go away.
No, Nifla, you go away.
No, all of you go away.
Cameraman, you've been filming so badly lately. Go away, you're fired.
What? Hayden, you're fired too.
I fired you first.
Nuh-uh.
We'll be right back. Oh no, what's happening? I can't seem to use my powers anymore. Wow, it's super inclusive. Huh, this girl's unaffected by the Excludinator 3000. What's your name? My name is Charlotte. Do you know why my friends have been acting so strange? I think so. Come with me.
Ha-ha! I've done it! The whole world is exclusive! Broomster, my dearest sidekick. You have helped me all these years. What do I owe you? Money? Fame? Okay. A nice pile of dust and some food scraps to wipe off the lower school floors it is. Let's hope lunch was messy. What? You say a girl is not being exclusive? I must make her exclusive! Come with me, Broomster.
If you're wondering why I'm alone in here, it is because I fired everyone else.
What? No, I fired you. This is my newsroom.
No.
So, Charlotte, how are you not acting exclusive?
Well, at first, I think I was. But then I thought about the King K core values. And then I remembered kindness. By focusing on being kind, I overruled everything else. Yes! That's the solution. Stay here, Charlotte. Guys, stop now. Think about the King K core values. Kindness, respect, and responsibility.
Huh?
Wait, my exclusiveness is going away. We need to broadcast a message to all lower school students now.
Also, could you hire the entire cast back?
Yeah, I should do that. Thanks. You just gave me Evil Exclusive's plan. You're not so evil after all.
No! This isn't the last you'll see of me! Traitor! Taxi!
Thanks, Broomster, Charlotte, and Super Inclusive. And that was the last anyone saw of Evil Exclusive.
King K Lower School was back to being inclusive.
We all have Broomster and Charlotte to thank.
Super inclusive! Remember, lower school, if you start to feel like being exclusive, remember you super inclusive powers will always be there.
Show kindness to everyone.
Have a super inclusive day.
And don't trust brooms.
Inclusive versus exclusive. Thank you for watching us this morning. I hope you enjoyed it very well.
And remember, always be inclusive.